Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So you saw me change the oil. Now it's time to change the spark plugs. On these Jeeps, it's pretty easy. There's a lot of room, so it's not too bad. So let's get started. Oh, actually, before we do, look at my shirt. They're on my website, link down below. It's on Teespring, so if you want to support the channel, be sure to get one of these shirts right here. Thanks. Now, let me show you the spark plugs I'm using. Yes, I'm going to clean all this up. It's really dirty, but that's for another video. I'm using these spark plugs here, Autolite Platinum. AP985. Supposedly these are really good for this engine, so I'm going to try them out and see how well they do. To change the spark plugs on these is pretty easy. It's underneath the coil pack here, so you got to get 13 mil. Take all these bolts out. Now it'll pop off, and then you can change the spark plugs. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking these out, and then I'll show you what it looks like underneath. Alright, so there it is. You guys saw me take out the coil pack. My engine's freaking hot right now, but I was still able to do it. So now the next step is to actually take out the spark plugs. So yeah, let's do it. So I have the spark plug socket here, which is magnetic, I believe. I don't know, but it holds it in place. That'll slide right in and just take them out. Alright, so these are all the plugs. I got them out. Fairly easy to do. So now let's get the new ones in there. Okay, so that's it. So I got all the spark plugs in. They're all snug. You don't want to over tighten them. You just make them, you know, snug. So that's it. Now I'm going to put the coil pack back on, put all the screws on, and it should be good. So there it is. Pretty simple to do. So this is a little update. It's about 3 weeks after I installed the spark plugs. I think I've driven the car between 500 to 1,000 miles. I'm not 100% sure, but no weird sputtering. It idles fine. The spark plugs have been good. I haven't felt anything weird. I don't know, just it feels like a normal Jeep. So I did take a couple trips on the highway. I went to San Diego, which is like a 2-hour drive from me, and then mostly in town. But right here you can see my average is about 13.8. Before I did the spark plugs, I was about like a 12.9, I believe. So it went up a little bit, the gas mileage. I don't know how accurate that is, but yeah, it has gone up. Don't look at that. I think the next step to get more miles per gallon would be to upgrade the injectors to maybe a 12-hole or 4-hole, whatever I can get my hands on. But that won't be for a while because I need some cash for that. So yeah. Alright, so that's it. That's the job. Pretty easy to do. Anyone could do it. So if you have any questions on the process, you can always comment them down below. But be sure to share with your friends and give this video a like. Peace.